Cardio. It's the cornerstone of many fitness routines, promising everything from weight loss to improved heart health. We lace up our sneakers, hit the treadmill and sweat it out, expecting remarkable results. But what happens when those results don't materialize? Why are so many people left wondering why their cardio workouts aren't working? The truth is, cardio isn't as straightforward as it seems. There's a science to it, a delicate balance of intensity, frequency, and duration. And when this balance is off, even the most dedicated efforts can fall short. This essay delves into the common misconceptions surrounding cardio, revealing why it might not be delivering the desired outcomes. We'll explore the latest research and expert advice, shedding light on the mistakes that could be hindering your progress. But more importantly, we'll equip you with actionable tips to transform your cardio workouts from frustrating to fruitful. Get ready to understand the nuances of cardio and unlock its true potential. It's time to unravel the mystery behind ineffective cardio and embark on a journey towards a healthier, fitter you. Let's face it, we've all been guilty of some cardio blunders. One of the most prevalent mistakes is sticking to a monotonous routine. Doing the same workout day in and day out can lead to plateaus, where your body adapts and stops responding. Another common pitfall is neglecting intensity. Many people stay in their comfort zones, never pushing themselves hard enough to elicit real change. Research shows that high-intensity interval training, HIIT, can be more effective for fat loss and cardiovascular improvement than steady-state cardio. Furthermore, overdoing cardio can be counterproductive. Spending hours on the treadmill can actually hinder your progress by increasing cortisol levels and leading to burnout. It's crucial to find a balance that challenges your body without pushing it to its limits. Many people mistake movement for intensity. Just because you're breaking a sweat doesn't mean you're working hard enough to achieve your fitness goals. Your heart rate is a much better indicator of intensity than how much you're sweating. Aim to reach your target heart rate zone, which is typically between 50% and 85% of your maximum heart rate. This zone ensures you're challenging your cardiovascular system without overexerting yourself. Moreover, don't be afraid to incorporate variety into your workouts. Experiment with different types of cardio like running, swimming, cycling, or dancing. This keeps your body guessing and prevents plateaus. It's a common misconception that more cardio equals better results. In reality, excessive cardio can backfire, especially if your diet isn't aligned with your fitness goals. Remember, you can't out-exercise a poor diet. Additionally, overtraining can lead to injuries, fatigue, and hormonal imbalances. It's essential to listen to your body and give yourself adequate rest and recovery time. Pushing yourself too hard can actually hinder your progress in the long run. Remember, consistency is key. It's better to have shorter, more effective workouts than long, grueling sessions that leave you feeling drained and demotivated. Section 5. The importance of personalized cardio plans. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to cardio. Your ideal workout plan depends on various factors, including your fitness level, goals, and preferences. What works for your friend might not work for you. Start by assessing your current fitness level and setting realistic goals. If you're a beginner, start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. If you're more experienced, challenge yourself with HIIT workouts or incorporate advanced techniques. Remember, it's better to progress gradually than to go all out and risk injury or burnout. Beyond the treadmill, cardio doesn't have to be confined to the gym. There's a world of exciting and effective cardio options waiting to be explored. Embrace outdoor activities like hiking, swimming, or kayaking. Join a dance class, try a martial arts session, or simply go for a brisk walk in nature. The key is to find activities you enjoy and that fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. By diversifying your cardio routine, you'll not only challenge your body in new ways, but also keep your workouts engaging and enjoyable. While cardio is crucial for cardiovascular health and calorie burning, strength training is equally important for overall fitness. Incorporating strength training into your routine can boost your metabolism, build lean muscle mass, and improve your body composition. Strength training complements cardio by enhancing your overall fitness level and making your body more efficient at burning calories. Aim for 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week, targeting all major muscle groups. Remember, a well-rounded fitness routine includes both cardio and strength training for optimal results. Your body is your best guide. Pay attention to how you feel during and after your workouts. Don't ignore signs of fatigue, pain, or discomfort. These are your body's way of telling you to slow down or adjust your routine. Remember, rest and recovery are just as crucial as the workouts themselves. Allow your body ample time to repair and rebuild after intense sessions. Adequate sleep, hydration, and nutrition are essential for optimal recovery. By listening to your body's signals, you can avoid burnout and injuries, ensuring sustainable progress towards your fitness goals. Cardio, when done right, can be a powerful tool for transforming your health and fitness. By understanding the common mistakes, embracing variety, and prioritizing intensity, you can unlock the true potential of your cardio workouts. Remember, consistency, personalization, and listening to your body are key. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone, explore new activities, and challenge yourself. The journey to a healthier, fitter you begins with embracing effective cardio. So, lace up your sneakers, adjust your mindset, and embark on a cardio journey that delivers results. Your body will thank you for it.